Are you a business owner looking to take your company to the next level? Artificial intelligence might be the answer you've been looking for. Here are 10 ways AI can boost your business. 1. AI can help streamline your operations by automating repetitive tasks, allowing your employees to focus on more strategic and creative work. 2. AI can analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing valuable insights that can help you make better business decisions. 3. AI can enhance your customer service by providing personalized recommendations and resolving customer inquiries in real time. 4. AI can improve your marketing efforts by analyzing customer behavior and preferences to create targeted campaigns that drive sales. 5. AI can optimize your supply chain by predicting demand, reducing inventory costs, and improving overall efficiency. 6. AI can enhance your product development process by analyzing market trends and customer feedback to create innovative solutions. 7. AI can increase cybersecurity by detecting and preventing potential threats before they can harm your business. 8. AI can improve your financial management by analyzing transactions and identifying areas for cost savings and revenue growth. 9. AI can boost employee productivity by providing personalized training and support. 10. AI can help you stay ahead of the competition by constantly adapting to market changes and identifying new opportunities for growth. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how AI can benefit your business.